Hello everyone! Julie is here. Today you will learn how to make spooky Halloween bats. So guys, what you will need for making Halloween bats today? You will need black paper, white pencil, scissors and good mood. I wish you happy creating, guys. So let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's start doing our bats for Halloween. We will need a black piece of paper and we can make two bats at once. So we will just fold it and fold in this piece of paper, or you can use also a white piece of paper and then just color it with black marker or pencil. So, and I fold it together and put it like this, and we will be doing this cute bat now. So you will need a white pen or a white pencil, or even white chalk will work great, and we will start drawing our bat. So let's draw first of all its head. So it will be a circle here just in the center of our paper. So we are just drawing a circle. And now we will draw two triangles. It would be its ears. Not too big, just this. And you can draw two circles with white pencil, or if you are using white pen, they would be even brighter. So two circles. It would be its eyes. And then we will color inside and leave this. If it's too wide, you can just use your rubber and correct, or you can use a black pencil and correct it as well. So, and now I will be drawing a smiley face like this, and two teeth. It's also small triangles down and two curved lines here. So our bat is smiling, and now let's draw its body. So it will be an oval down, so not too big, not too small, just an oval. And now we will be drawing its wings. So we are drawing actually a curved line here, and now we will draw three lines down. So one line, and one more. And now we will connect them with curved lines like this. Easy peasy, right? So, and the same here. So again, I am drawing a curved line here and three lines, straight lines down. 1, 2, 3, and curved lines connecting. You also can draw its legs if you wish, or just leave it like this. And now all we have to do is just take this paper and cut it out. So don't rush, we are not in a race, so take your time, enjoy while we are doing this beautiful, cute Halloween bats. And if you don't like white lines, you can just rub them out then, if you are using pencil, or leave them. It also looks very spooky with white lines. And here we go. Look guys, how cool are our bats! They are just adorable, and this is really a great idea for Halloween decoration. And you can write your own spooky message inside your postcard, and also decorate your house and windows and make as many bats as you wish, guys. Well done, guys! This is just fantastic! Thank you for watching this video, guys, and creating Halloween bats with me today. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like my lessons, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your beautiful Halloween bats with me. Stay safe! Bye bye!